Welcome to PSM for Solution Math. I'm your tutor Sumant PF. Today we are going to learn the polynomial lesson exercise 2.5 in that question number 10. Let us learn. Before going to solve that problem, please all of you like my video and share as much as possible. The first question, that is question number 10, in that we have two questions. In that first question, factorize each of the following. In that the first one, here we have 27y cube plus 125z cube. And next one, 64 m cube minus 343 n cube. And they have given a hint for you. That is hint is see question 9. So question 9 hint I have written already here. That is they have given in terms of x cube plus y cube formation. So here we have x cube minus y cube formation, means the first one. If you check it correctly, the question I will write it down here. 27 y cube plus 125 z cube. In that the first one, here it is in a form of x cube plus y cube form. So in place of x cube we have 27 y cube, and in place of y cube we have 125 z cube. That is the only one thing we have to see. So what is that x cube plus y cube? That is equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So here you can see the first one. So according to that we have to solve this problem. So now let us write it down. So here I am going to say one thing for you. Here in place of x cube, what we have is 27y cube. So write down that x cube on the one side for your calculation purpose, and that value is 27y cube. So you have to find the x value. So x is equals to, so this cube I have to shift on the other side, it will become cube root of 27y cube. So next one is nothing but, see here, the cube root we have to take separately. The cube root of 27 and cube root of y cube, means we have to take 27 and y cube separately. So here you can cancel this thing. So y cube root and y cube, it get cancelled. So here we can write it down as y. But what is the cube root of 27? Cube root of 27 is nothing but 3. So x value found as a 3y. That is the most important thing. So you found the x value, that is finished now. So let us have for the next one. The next one is nothing but, in place of y cube we have 125 z cube. So that is also next one, that is also important thing. So let us solve for that. So here we have in place of y cube we have 125 z cube. So what is the y value? So cube on the other side, it will become cube root of 125 and z cube. So here separately we can write it down, cube root of 125 and cube root of z cube. So here it will get cancelled, the cube, sorry, here cube root and cube get cancelled, and it will remain z as it is. But in the other side, you can see here we have cube root of 125. Cube root of 125 is nothing but 5. So y value we found as 5z. That is the thing we have to remember. So next one, substitute that value. In place of x we have to write down the x value, that is 3y the whole cube, plus in place of y I have to write it down 5z. So I have to write down here 5z the whole cube. See, understood? So what I have done is, in place of x I have substituted the x value. In place of y I have to substitute the 5z value. That's all. So next one is equal to, that is the x value is how much? That is 3y. So here you can see 3y, and the y value is nothing but 5z plus 5z. Next here we have x square. X square is nothing but the x value, that is 3y the whole square. 3y the whole square. Remember here 3y the whole square minus 3y into y value is 5z plus 5z, that is y value is 5z. Here you can see 5z the whole square. This is the first part of your answer. Next one, we have to continue, because here you can see in the question they have given factorize. So this is the factorization we have done already. This is actually the factorization we have done. So we have written in into form. You can see here we have written into form, but let us we have to write it down that 5z as it is, 3y and 5z have written as it is, but this one we will calculate. So here we have square, so this square have to take it for 3 and y also. So 3 square is 9, 9y square, and 3 into 5 is 15, so multiply the 3 5 is 15 and yz as it is. And lastly here we have plus the square what we have, that you have to multiply for both 5 and z. So 5 square is 25 and z square is z square only, and this is your answer, final answer, because you have factorized, that means you have written in terms of into. So what is the factor of the given thing, that is 3y the whole cube plus 5z the whole cube is nothing but 27. That is, you can write it down like this way first, and this is the final answer what you got. So you have written the 27y cube plus 125z cube as 3y plus 5z into 9y square minus 15yz plus 25z square. Let us have the next one. The next one question here is second one question, 10th main, the second one question. Here we have 64 m cube minus 343 n cube. So here also same method we have to follow, but here we have to see that here it is consist of the negative symbol. So negative symbol, when it will come, it is the second equation, that is the identity what you have, that is the thing we have to write it down. So what is that answer? So this one x cube, it is in a form of x cube minus y cube, so that is equals to nothing but x minus y, and x square plus xy plus y square, that is a formula. So substitute in that formula. Before substituting, find the value of x and y separately. How to find the value of x and y? Let us have that first. So what is the value of x cube? In place of x cube, what we have? In place of x cube we have 64 m cube. So x cube value is nothing but 64 m cube, but we have to find the value of x. So x is equals to cube root of 64 into m cube. So what is the cube root of 64 and what is the cube root of m cube? The cube root of m cube very easily you can find, because cube root and cube get cancelled, remaining is m. So here cube root of 64 is nothing but 4. So x value is nothing but 4m. This is the most important part of the question. Similarly, y cube. In place of y cube, what we have? Y cube is here. The y cube value is nothing but 343 n cube. So y cube is nothing but 343 n cube we have. So y value is nothing but cube root of 343, and n cube you can write it down separately here only, no problem. So separately you can write it down. So while writing on this, so here the cube root and cube get cancelled, so n will remain here. But what is the value of cube root of 343? So when you will calculate it, it is nothing but 7. So y value is nothing but 7n. So I can write it down nearby, so no need to confuse you again. So this can be written as 7n, and this is the y value, and the x value we have already found, it is 4m. So 4m is the x value and y value is 7n. That value you have to substitute in the formula. So here when you substitute it, so x value you have to write it down, that is 64m cube can be rewritten as x value we have found already, 4m the whole cube outside, minus 7n, that is y value, here you can see 7n the whole cube, that is equals to 4m minus 7n into x square is 4m the whole square. Remember here, very importantly, here we have whole square, plus we have x value, that is 4m, the y value is 7n, plus y square, the y square is nothing but 7n the whole square. This is the most important thing, and already we have written in into form, but we have to simplify it. So it is nothing but 4m minus 7n. They have told you to find the factorization, so factors we have to find, that's all. So what is this square is for both? 4 square is 16, m square is m square, plus 4 into 7 is 28, m into n is mn, plus 7 square is 49. See, this square is for both 49, and n square is n square, and these are the two factors of the given 64 m cube minus 343 n cube. So this is your answer. So you can write down directly as 64 m cube minus 343 n cube also. So this is a factor. These are the factor. Factor is nothing but we have to eliminate that minus and plus outside. So here you can see this is one term and it is second term, and both of them having in between as into. We don't have any plus and minus in between them. So this is the factor. So you can write it at the end 4m minus 7n and 16m square plus 28mn plus 49n square are the factor of 64m cube minus 343 n cube. This is your final answer. So those who have doubt, you can write it on the comment section and you can inform me. So thank you for watching PSM. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, take care.